In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly remaster your music using the Suno AI platform. First, you'll want to begin your journey by heading over to the Suno AI website. Once you're there, the magic begins with a simple click of the Create button. This option is intuitively located on the main interface and marks the beginning of your project. Clicking Create will open up a world of possibilities for your music as you start to navigate through the available features. Now, as you look through your library of tracks, you might notice a set of three small dots next to each music file. These dots are your gateway to further editing options and features. By clicking on these three dots, you're opening up a menu with a set of tools designed to enhance. After you have accessed this menu, you'll once again click on the Create option that appears on the list. This click acts as the next step toward transforming your music. Click on the Remaster button. This feature is where the platform truly turns your existing tracks into masterpieces. Remastering takes your music beyond its current state, improving sound quality and clarity, and ensuring your tracks have the professional polish you've been aiming for. Whether it's adjusting levels, fine-tuning balances, or enhancing overall quality, the remaster feature does it all, making each of your tracks sound fresh and new. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the Suno AI platform to reach the remastering stage. Each step you took not only shaped your music project, but also opened up new possibilities for your creativity. Remember, the more you experiment with each of these powerful options, the more you'll discover what Suno AI can do for your music. Thank you for joining me today, and happy remastering.